Yeah, even my phones, maingat ako. Hindi ako nakakabasag. Wala pa akong binasag na phone ko.
Neither have I.
No, si daddy kasi lagi.
Daddy, why are you comparing me to
Okay, so tingnan mo nga kung kasya pa din dito. Pero bibili tayo sa Kate. Oh no. Kate and Spade. Bibili ako. Kasya pa din naman siya. Pero bibili ako.
I wanna buy a new case for my phone.
Okay. Sige. So your phone? O si Kate and Spade ka? Ba't di ka tumingin?
Wala na kasi sila mga phones. It's the new ones they have is for 13 and 14.
So ayan. So ito. So let's see kung anong kaibahan niya.
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine.
Ayan. So may plastic din siya. Same with this one.
Yeah.
Oh, yun na siya. Ayun.
And then look right here, you can control the volume.
Oh, really? Sa side niya? Patingin.
Not on. You can control the volumes.
Sure?
Yeah.
Pwede mo siyang... So, low bat siya. So, ayan.
Slow.
Low. And then, saan ang charge? Oh, ito yung charger niya.
Charging port.
Charging port. So, iyon nga. Mas ano nga daw to. Compared dito. Oh, sakit lang.
Compared to these
Okay,
ones.
can you help me with that? Yeah.
'Cause
So, pag ganito yung second generation na hindi Pro. Ayan. So, pag ganyan, itsura niya, I see yung differences.
These ones look like normal, like you know how you have the wire headphones?
Yeah, yeah.
These ones, and then these ones are different because they're more, look, same side. They're more shorter,
Shorter na
but
naman.
they're more bigger as you can see.
Bigger yung
This
isa?
part, the ear.
Oh, so hindi ano to, left side? Oo nga naman. Yung parang maririnig mo kung natanggal siya.
Yeah,
You can feel it. Ayan. Oh, ganda kay Dexy. So, ang kaibahan niya dun sa second, ito, mas, maiksi. Meron siyang rubber. So, dito siya.
And it's much more larger, so it fits more snug in the ear.
Yeah.
Comparison,
Ito kasi
mas
medyo
slim.
payat. Yan.
It's more slim.
At saka slim at mahaba. Tapos hindi pa siya, nag-ano naman siya. Siguro mas bagay siya sa bata. Kasi maliit yung ear. Unlike sa akin kasi,
Bigger ear.
bigger ears na yung adult. At saka hindi ko na mamalayan na nahuhulog ko na siya. And while this one, maiksi. Ang sabi ni Dexy, maiksi. Tapos may control. May control talaga to? I don't think so. Hindi siya na hindi naman siya na...
The touch sensor, of course, when you connect it to the phone.
Okay. So, yun. Kaya, isa pa sa dahilan na bumili kami ng second generation is, nag-promise ako sa kanya na kapag may kita ang YouTube. So, ayan. This is a YouTube, revenue. revenue nila sa YouTube. So, mapupunta na tong old kay Dexy at itong new sa akin kasi mostly ako naman yung nagamit ng ganito kasi yun sa nag-e-edit ako ng mga videos while on the train going home. Kung minsan pagka kahit na may work ako, minsan nakakapag-edit naman ako kapag break time, parang ganoon. So, yun. So, yun ang kaibahan niya.
Whenever Dex is crying or shouting, you can put those on and let me deal with it, and you wouldn't hear a thing.
Kasi may... Really?
Yeah.
So, yun pala yung kinuha namin is yung tinanong pala ako.
The reason we chose that is because they asked, do you want the difference is that this has noise cancellation and this one doesn't. And we're like, let's go for
Ano yung dozen? 3 na yun?
3.
Oh, I don't know that. Oo.
You already forgot our conversation.
Hindi, medyo nalito lang ako kanino. Oo, hindi ko masyadong kung ano yung kukunin. But anyway, kung yung Pro na to na second generation is may noise cancellation ba yun?
Noise cancellation.
Oo, panalo to kasi at least makakapag-edit ako nang hindi masyadong marinig yung nasa paligid ko. So, yun. So, yun lang kaibahan niya. Yung second na to,
And
which is,
the second's bigger.
yeah, the second one is ito siya. Yan. So, ito pagkatabihin natin. All the second Dexa! So, ito yung second lang, na hindi Pro, which is second generation din siya. And then, we have the other one, which is this one. This one, which is the second generation pero Pro siya. Yun ang kaibahan niya. So, ayan lang ang vlog namin with this kind of AirPods. So, ang kaibahan pa niya is ito is pahalang siya. Ito pa ganyan. So, ayan. Okay. So, pero ito sa taas naman ng bukas din. Pareho naman sila pero parang yung isa
This
parang
one
square.
more square. And
Ito yung rectangular yung isa.
rectangular, and this is more square.
Yung square ang
I
itsura
like
niya.
this. Yeah.
Yeah. So, yun ang istorya ng aming AirPods. So, congrats, Dexy! Sa kanya na yan. Bibili kami ng bagong neto pag next time. Cases. Mamili kami. Kasi ngayon nga, yun nga, sabi ko, ito lang nilalagyanan ko. So, you can get na yours. Nakaano naman na yan eh.
Do you know who this is?
Sino yan? Oh, si Dexa.
And that's me. Oh, she's always been my screen.
Oh.
Change. Last Christmas, Christmas yung and now it's
Sino yan? Sino to? Yan. So, yun ang istorya ng aming AirPods from Apple. Yay! Yan. So, it's a treat naman din sa sarili namin. So, it's not too many treats. Ay, wag Ayan. Wala. Okay. Okay.
So, we bought something for Dexa.
Dexa! It's nice.
On Roblox. Look, we bought you pants. And they
Nakakit.
have like mine. Like they have pockets.
Wow, you like that?
Yeah, I think they're too long. So, no. Yeah, they're too long. So you have to wait for them to grow on you, okay?
Yeah.
So,
Konti na lang naman, Dexa, kasi nakita namin on sale on Gap.
for
$10
$10.
kasi siya naka-sale kaya binili.
If you're watching this.
Hurry.
So binili namin sa Gap, nakakita kami for Dexa.
$10. It was a size 8 though.
Oh, okay. Malapit na din na. Mabilis naman lumaki si ading mo. So, yan.
She's a child. She's grown.
Okay. Dun sa Gap, kuminsan marami silang mga naka-sale din, sale items.
Yeah, but
Parang mas maraming naka-sale items sa Shino
shit, you know?
kaysa ano.
Yeah, but it's expensive though.
Yeah.
It's like $30 for like each sale item.
Yeah, I know.
So it's not ideal still. So it's not ideal, but it's good. It's better.
Okay. So next na i-vlog namin is sa Michael Kors, maybe?
Maybe guess.
Okay. No, I think that one is kasi pang pang Christmas ni Dexa. So, kapag ganito na end season na, yung isa lang. Diyan sa mga
Yes.
No, I mean, sa mga branded, pag pupunta ka sa mga branded store dito, sinisale na din nila.
All the tubes.
Yeah. So, kasi pa-summer na dito, springtime, pero pa-summer na. So, nakakita kami na ang cute, Guess na took ni Dexa. For only, I think, parang how much is that in the original price? Hindi ko alam kung nandyan yung ating.
$30 original, I think.
Yeah. Something ganun,
Oh,
no?
no, $30. Yeah, $30.
$30 yung original, pero naging parang $10 na lang siya.
Yeah, I think so. I don't know.
Okay. So, ayun. So, ito yung nabili namin. Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda kasi guess naman siya. May mga nakalagay pang ganito dito. Tapos, cute ang kanya. Parang pom-poms ang tawag nila dito. Okay. So, yun lang. Ito pa isa-isa. Kung may makita kasi kami, ganun kami May makita kami na for Dexa, binibili namin. Mga sale nga lang items yan. Okay? So, next we go to Forever 21. Alam ko, halos lahat to ay for Dexy. Kunti
Except
lang
for
yung
one
akin.
item.
One item is for me.
This.
So,
Oh, here. This one. No, this is mine.
oh, meron ka palang biniling
I bought
ganyan.
a cute skirt. It's white and fluted.
Yeah. So, sa Forever 21 namin binili to. I think naka-sale din mga to.
Yeah, it was in sale, but I don't know how much because this is only the original price.
Okay, 25 yung original price niya. Pero parang naging 15 na lang to eh. So, bumili din ako ng may white.
This one's mine.
Oh, yung white. Oh, meron ka palang white
Corset-ish piece lang siya.
Yeah.
Has like
So, meron siyang biniling white na t-shirt ulit. Not t-shirt, but white long sleeved. Yan.
and then
Button up daw ang tawag.
also
Nagulo na. Bakit tsunay mo ba yan dati? Okay. So, may binili din siyang ganito. Ayan.
a tank top, but you know what's good about this for summer, Mom? It's mesh, right? And but it's a tank top, so I won't feel hot, but still I protect tish. It's mesh.
Oh, okay.
It's cool.
That's nice.
And it's purple.
Okay, so Forever 21 naman to na vlog.
And I got
Her
these
first,
really cute
yeah, ang cute. Ang ganda ng tsura sa kanya.
And there's
Simple lang. Yeah, but it has a heart.
add.
Ay, B, dapat pala kapag labahan natin yan, paano yan? Kasi baka matanggal yung mga bato. Matingin mo. Gentle lang kapag nilaban?
Yeah.
Maybe. Siya lang, ganon?
Yeah, maybe. Or ilagay sa net.
Net. Oh, liit yan sa net. Hindi malinis pag nilagay ko yan sa net. Hindi ko naalala yun Kaya,
Gentle.
So, ayan. Yan ang problema pagka may mga beads. Yan.
Then, this one's the one Mommy got. She got a long...
So, ayan. Parang nagustuhan ko lang to kasi parang gusto ko lang siyang isuot ng i-pair ko lang siya sa black na na
Or white
leggings.
jeans.
Leggings or white jeans, yeah.
Or black, I mean jeans.
Jeans or leggings
Not
mostly.
white jeans. 'Cause
Not white.
I
It's
said white jeans. Because I was thinking of the color of the outfit.
So, yun lang yung binili namin sa Forever 21. Ako, kahit na ganyan, naka 90 ata kami.
100.
Yeah, 100 nga. Ano?
Because I also bought hats. But they're upstairs.
Okay na. It's okay
I
na.
bought a beret and then another cute
Oo, may mga hats pa kasing binili si Dexy. So, yan. We go to the next one.
Cleo. Well, Ricky's.
Ricky's. So, ito. Nakakita kami nung pumunta kami sa Ricky's. Nakakita kami ng cute na naka-sale. It's a blazer. So, nagustuhan ko itong blazer na to sa Ricky's for $50. Original price niya is,
100.
ayan, 100. Patingin. 100. Ayan, original price niya. Ayan. So, naging 50% off. So, nagustuhan ko tong ganitong blazer kasi wala naman akong ganito.
And the button.
Yeah, yung button niya ang nagpaganda. Kasi parang, yeah.